Hi folks, just a very quick one on the BMW panniers for the R1300. I know there's been a lot of issues with these. I've done about 4,000 miles on the bike pretty much since I've got it, and they've been pretty faultless up until now. Just on my last trip around Ireland there, just so you know, this pannier on the left hand side decided to open up completely, and luckily the bike guy on the bike behind me managed to sort of took the horn and flash and get my attention to work out what's there. So this does appear to be faulty. Which isn't great, to be honest with you. Also, I've just tried to remove the panniers there, which I've done 20-30 times since getting the bike, and they've all been absolutely fine, but I've not tried to remove it since this issue on this one here happened. So I've just got home from a trip, trying to take it off, and inside there, the actual mechanism's failed, so I actually can't remove this now, and the key is successfully stuck in the pannier, so I'm going to have to, I don't know what I'm going to have to try and do to try and get this out, but I'm going to have to try and do something. So there are issues with these. I know BMW's put a stop sale pretty much on them. This is one of the first bikes that came into the country, so I managed to order it with the full set of panniers and top box and so on, but I know there are problems getting them out. But basically this is the only fault really the bike's had since picking it up, but the panniers, certainly the central locking, it's not working right at all for me. And this here, I don't know what I'm going to have to do. I'm probably going to have to try and break the pannier to actually try and get this in. So I don't know what I'm going to try and do really to try and get this key out and actually get the bike sorted. So yeah, my night trip with the good Scottish weather has been successfully stopped, because I'll not be going anywhere tonight. So if you are on the waiting list for the R1300 panniers, make sure they're all working. I don't think BMW made the mistake of sending them out without getting properly tested, but there are definitely issues with them, so hopefully they get sorted. After a fair bit of messing about with that, we've managed to get these off. So just so you can see what the actual problem is for me, the panniers are held on by these two mechanisms, one there, and they should slide back and forward whenever you lift this particular mechanism up. But as you can see here, this mechanism, it's got a metal bar and it's supposed to clip into the end there, so whenever you lift that there up, it pulls the actual mechanism forward. But this has actually came clean off that, and I've no idea how, because it's all built in, so it's not been forced, it's not done anything, it just wouldn't unlock there. So I reckon as I've been riding the bike, that's maybe moved out of position or something along those lines, but I don't know if it's all related to why the box opened. I doubt it, but there's definitely issues with this side pannier, so hopefully BMW will get that sorted. It's all under warranty, so no concerns with that. But again, yeah, just check your bikes, make sure these are all right. Also, just to add on to a series of unfortunate events as tonight has been, because I can't get that down and that's completely stopped, with these, the key doesn't actually want to release. So, completely stuck in a pannier. So, not too sure what I need to do with that one. Probably a time for Motorrad to come down and actually play about with the bike and get it fixed. But yeah, that's not ideal. So, magic.